Hi, this is Python course. In this lesson, we shall work on if statements in Python. Programming involves examining conditions and deciding which action we have to take on those conditions. There are few lines of Python code written in this section. Let's see. The cost of table is 10. Let's see to 30 to 10. Now, let's see if the value is 10, it shall print cost of table is 10. We are using if statement here. The cost of table is 10, it is checking whether it's true or not. And we can use multiple if statement also with ELF keyword. If the table cost is 20, we print cost of table is 20. Both conditions are false, it will execute else statement. The cost is neither 10 or 20. Let's check if the table cost is 10, it will print cost of table is 10. If we change it from 10 to 20, the cost of the table is 20 because this condition is true. If we change this value from 20 to 30, then both conditions are false and it is executing else statement. This is how we use if statement in Python. Hope you like it. Thank you.